Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we are learning basic adjectives in English. First, let's understand what adjectives are. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They give more information about a person, thing, or place. Adjectives answer simple questions. For example, which one, what kind, or how it is. In English, adjectives do not change. They do not change for gender, number, or case. Let's start with colors. Colors help us describe the world around us. Red, blue, yellow, green, black, white, orange, purple, pink, brown, gray or gray. For example, a red apple, a blue sky, black shoes. Now let's talk about adjectives of size. Size adjectives describe how big or small something is. Big means very large. Small means not big. Large is also big, often used for objects. Tiny means very small. Tall means height, very people or buildings. Short means not tall or not long. Long means not short. Wide means a lot of space from left to right. Narrow means not wide. Let's see some examples. A big house, a small dog, a tall man, a long road. Now let's move to opposite adjectives. Opposite are words with opposite meanings. Good means nice, bad means not nice. Happy means feeling good. Sad means feeling bad. Fast means quick. Slow means not quick. Hot means high temperature. Cold means low temperature. Clean means not dirty. Dirty means not clean. Easy means not hard. Difficult means hard. Rich means has money. Poor means no money. Now an important grammar rule. In English, adjectives come before the noun. We say a big house, not a house big. When there are many adjectives, there is an order. Size usually comes before color and other details. For example, a beautiful big old table. Before we finish, here are some practical tips. Do not just memorize words. Use adjectives in simple sentences. Describe objects around you. And now try the short test on the screen. Pause the video and answer the questions. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies. See you in the next